In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops in the unabated acts of state terrorism martyred 16 Kashmiris in the last month of March. According to the data released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today, 40 persons were injured due to the use of brute force by Indian forces on peaceful demonstrators in the occupied territory in the month. The troops, police and dreaded National Investigation Agency arrested 96 civilians during house raids and coordinated search operations. Many of those arrested were booked under Black Law, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act and Public Safety Act. Indian troops also molested 4 women and destroyed 2 houses during the period. Meanwhile, Indian troops in the fresh act of state terrorism martyred 1 Kashmiri youth during a violent military operation in Trikvangam area of Shopian district today. The Indian forces personnel disallowed the media persons to cover the operation. Indian police arrested 7 persons, including the All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Muhammad Sharif Sartaj and a woman during house raids and search operations in Jammu, Kathua, Pulwama and Baramulla districts. The police also arrested 12 Rohingya Muslims in a village of Ramban district of the Jammu region who had arrived as part of a Tablighi group. The detainees have been sent to Hiranagar jail in Kathua district. On the other hand, Hindutva groups are imposing economic boycott of Muslims and other non-Hindu communities in the Indian state of Karnataka. A video recently surfaced on social media showing members of the right-wing Bajrang Dal patrolling at a Hindu festival in Neelamangala area of the state capital Bengaluru to enforce economic boycott of Muslims. Another Hindutva group, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, came up with posters urging the Hindus not to business with Muslim vendors during the festival. In yet another display of predilection by Indian judicial system, a court in Mumbai granted bail to Akash Suyal, creator of the chat room and clubhouse which hosted Islamophobic and anti-Muslim discussions. The court directed the accused to undergo counseling. The National Congress Party chief Sharad Pawar, addressing a party convention in New Delhi, said the ruling BJP is creating a poisonous atmosphere in India by spreading false propaganda through the movie The Kashmir Files about the exodus of Kashmiri Pandits from the Kashmir Valley.